How did it take me this long to open this amazing figure? This is freaking awesome. Here, so this is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Casey Jones, and Raphael in Disguise pack. Nice little read up. If you want to pause and read that. Believe it or not, I have had this since, let's see what the receipt says, November 21st, 2022. And I'm just now opening it. So right out of the package, this is Casey Jones and everything he comes with. Starting off with his accessories, he does come with 3 additional pairs of hands, 2 additional gripping hands that he could use for his different weaponry. Another set very similar, if not the exact same molding. And then these 2 slightly different ones. And then this one could be used, I'm assuming, to hold also the pizza slice it comes with. Alright, so Casey comes with 2 bats, a hockey stick, a cricket bat, a driver. The detail on it is pretty good, however, the biggest complaint is it's very, very flimsy and can easily break. And a goalie hockey stick. And of course, it could all fit in his nice little golf bag, which I don't think everything fits very well. But you can kind of fake it. I'm sure I don't want to put the golf driver in there because I'm afraid it'll break. So for those of you that know NECA, you know that, again, the articulation on the figures typically isn't the best. However, the detailing on it is pretty awesome. So you can see he's got his sweatpants. I'm assuming these are Reeboks. Not a whole lot of abdominal movement, if any at all. I don't think there is any. I know some people may be bummed it doesn't come with an alternate head, but I think this is how I would have him regardless. And the mask does not come off, but if you can see, I don't know if I can focus my camera on it, you can see his eyes in there, which is pretty cool. That's our boy, Casey Jones. Alrighty, let's run this again, but this time my boy Raphael in Disguise. These are all the accessories it comes with. Besides the ones Raphael is currently rocking, it comes with 2 other pairs of hands. It comes with these almost pointing hands, also used for holding stuff. These 2 more neutral hands. Of course, how can you have Raphael without his 2 sides? Then this comes with 2 bandana extensions, so that way you could put it in different directions. These do not move, they just stick in place. And then, of course, his hat. So you may notice here, it comes with a hole, and that is so you can remove that part back there and put it on him. I've not even really been playing with him, just looking at him. I currently have the opposite of whatever buyer's remorse is. How did it take me this long to open this amazing figure? This is freaking awesome. Literally just got him out of the package moments ago. So what's interesting is Raphael has always been my favorite. My wife, who knows nothing about Ninja Turtles, I won't say nothing, but very little about the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I asked her one day in describing the different turtles, which one she thinks I most resemble. And she actually did not say Raphael. According to my wife, my personality most resembles that of Michelangelo and Donatello. However, I've always liked Raphael as one of my favorites, just because, just like him, I am one angry dude. So for those of you that are curious, the coat does come off, backpack comes off, you can have him without the disguise costume. It is a pain in the butt to put on and off, and I want to display him as he is. So I'm gonna leave him as he is. But again, just know that no detail was lost. Again, it's the full figure without the disguise and this nice soft goods coat. Yes, I am very, very pleased with this guy, and I am excited to be shooting some photos with him very, very soon on a trip I will be taking with my brother. So here are the 2 figures that come in this 2-pack together. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. I've seen prices fluctuate just depending on locations. Right now, things are kind of maybe going up because the new NECA Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle figures are coming out, also with the new release of the movie. But I really, really enjoy this. I do think these resemble what is portrayed in the movie pretty well. And like I said, I'm very happy to have them. Now let's do some quick size comparisons. Here they are with a couple of other NECA figures. My wife's out of town, so I'm currently binge watching Guardians of the Galaxy. So here they are up against a couple Marvel Legends characters. For funsies, here is the Mattel Masters of the Universe New Eternia Beastman. Here they are with a couple of McFarlane Spawn characters, and I actually think these would work together. I may end up doing a photo shoot with these guys at some point. Here they are with McFarlane's Killer Croc. Here they are with a couple of G.I. Joe classified figures. And lastly, we got a Lightning Collection by Cobra Kai figure, Dana LaRusso, and little Mythic Legions Dark Templar. Overall, I am very pleased with this pickup. I was lucky enough to pick it up for around $50. I just checked, and as the time of recording, you can pick it up anywhere from $60 to $100 for this 2-pack. But I definitely want to say that my favorite and the star of the show is definitely Raphael in disguise. Speaking of disguise, if you enjoyed this video, check out this Walmart exclusive Turtles in Disguise Party Pack. Let's open it up, and I'll see you soon.